Hello student, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Student, today we are going to see very important question. This question is taken from the question paper and this question belongs to what? Arithmetic progression. So what is the question? Let us see. If the ratio of the sum of m terms and n terms of an APB m square is to n square. Means what is given? Sum of m terms and sum of n terms of an APB what? M square is to n square. So how we will start the solution? To start the solution, let sum of m terms be what? Sm, and sum of n terms be what? Sn. So let the sum of n terms be what? Sm, and sum of n terms be Sn. You know the formula of how to find the sum of n terms, that is what? Sn is equal to what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I will write the formula of Sn. So Sn is equal to what? N upon 2, and this is what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? So this is the formula of what? This is the formula of Sn. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what will be Sn? Sn will be what? This is the Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What will be Sn? So Sn is what? M divided by 2, and this is what? 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Okay, fine. Now let us see the question. Ratio of what? Ratio of m terms, sum of m terms and n terms of an AP is given as what? M square is to n square, means Sm upon Sn is equal to what? M square divided by n square. Right? Ratio is given to you, therefore Sm upon Sn is equal to what? M square upon n square. Clear? Now we know what is Sm. Sm is what? Sm is what? M by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d, and divided by what is Sn? Sn is what? N upon 2 and bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is equal to what? M square upon n square. Right? So ratio of Sm to the Sn is given to you, that is m square upon n square. What is Sn? Sn is what? N by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d. And what is Sn? Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now see, this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. This 1 m is cancelled out with this 1 m, and this 1 n is cancelled out with this 1 n. So what you will get, student? Then you will get 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to m divided by n. And now you will cross multiply. So now you will cross multiply. So n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is equal to
No, sir.
n times 2a plus m minus 1. M minus 1 into d is equal to what? M times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now just you will multiply. This will be what? 2na plus m minus 1 m minus 1 2na plus m minus 1 into nd, and this is equal to what? 2ma plus n minus 1 into what? Md. Clear? So you multiply this n with first term, so you will get what? 2an or 2na plus m minus 1 into nd, and this is equal to what? 2ma plus n minus 1 into md. Clear?
Yes.
Now, so just simplify further. So 2na plus this will be what? M into n into d minus nd, and this is equal to what? 2ma plus mnd minus md. Now student, just transfer this to left hand side. So this will be what? 2na plus mnd minus nd. This will be minus 2ma. This will be minus mnd. This will be plus md, and this is equal to 0. Now this term will cancel out. Okay. Now from 2na minus 2ma, you can take 2a as a common. So you will get n minus m. And what is remaining then? This term is remaining minus nd and plus md. Take minus d as a common. So you will get n, because of minus this plus becomes minus d, and this is equal to 0. Sorry,
M.
here you will get m. So 2a n minus m is equal minus d n minus m is equal to 0. Now you will cancelling n minus m. So when you will cancel out, so cancelling n minus m. So what you will get therefore? This n minus m is cancel out. Okay. So you will get what? 2a minus d is equal to 0, or d is equal to what? 2a. What is the value of d now? D is 2a. Clear? So either you cancelling n minus m or dividing, one and the same thing. So what you will get then? 2a minus d is equal to 0, or what you will get? 2a is equal to, sorry, or you will get d is equal to 2a. What you have to prove that? You have to prove that the ratio of, what you have to prove that? The ratio of m and nth term. Mth term and nth term is what? 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. So do you know what is the formula of Tn?
Yes.
So formula of Tn, you know very well what is the formula of Tn. We will use this formula. So the ratio of mth term is what? Tm divided by nth term, that is what? Tn. So Tm is what? A plus m minus 1 into d, and divided by what is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula of mth term and nth term of the AP. Now what is d, student? D already we have calculated. D is equal to what? You have to substitute
2a.
2a. So this is equal to what? A plus m minus 1. D is now 2a divided by a plus n minus 1 into d is 2a. So this will be what? A plus multiply,
2a.
or you may take a as a common. Can you take a as a common? So you will take a as a common. So what you will get? From here you will get 1 plus, this will be what? 2m minus 1. Right? When you will take a as a common, so what you will get? From here you will get 1 plus 2m minus 1. Similarly, you can take a common from here also. So when you will take a as a common, so you will get here 1 plus 2n minus 1. Now just simplify. So this a and a will cancel out. So what you will get? 1 plus this multiplied 2m minus 2 divided by, this will be 1 plus 2n minus 1, which is equal to what? 2m minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 2n. This is what? 2 na?
Yeah.
This is 2. So 2n, this plus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1. So this you have to prove in the question. You have to prove what? 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. So hence proved. Hence proved. Clear? So here we have proved that the ratio of mth term and nth term is 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. Okay students? Any problem?
No, sir.
So next question we are going to deal in next video. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.